Do you want to create high quality images like this, but struggle with coming up with the right prompts? In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to craft the best prompts so you can get the perfect images created with Floowy. Your prompt is your creative brief. The clearer your brief, the stronger your visual output, and the more consistent your brand presence becomes. The fastest way to write a strong prompt is using this formula. Step 1, setting. Step 2, lighting. Step 3, camera and composition. I'll break it down for you. Step 1 is the setting. I always start with the environment. The setting defines the entire world around your product. It determines the atmosphere, context, and emotional tone, and ultimately how premium, relatable, or aspirational your image feels. Step 2 is the lighting. Lighting determines how professional and premium your image feels. It shapes shadows, depths, and highlights. And the last step, camera and composition. Camera and composition determine focus and impact. They control what stands out, how premium it feels, and how attention is guided towards your product. Now I'm going to show you how I personally create strong prompts. First, I go to ChatGPT. I tell it that I'm using an AI image tool and that I want to make a lifestyle or advertisement image. Hi chat, I'm going to use an AI image tool to create a lifestyle image. Then I'll explain that I need a prompt describing the mood or setting of the image. I need a prompt that describes the mood slash setting of the image. What I'll do next, I tell the prompt must be 250 characters maximum because that is the maximum in Floowy. Your prompt must be no more than I tell it what my product is. In this case, I'm using a Brazilian retro soccer t-shirt. Brazilian retro soccer t-shirt. I indicate that I want to incorporate the setting, lighting, camera angle, and composition in my prompt. Include the setting, lighting, camera angle, and composition in the prompt. And if the product needs cultural relevance, I specified it too. In this case, I want the image to be on a Brazilian soccer street field. I want the image to be on a Brazilian soccer street field. And here it is. ChatGPT gives me the output. And then I'll go to Floowy. I've copied the prompt and now I'm going to the fashion studio in Floowy. But you can also use this prompt for example, the ambient studio or the ad studio. I will upload my product. This tool is explained in more detail in the fashion studio in tutorial, so I will move straight on to the prompt section. I'll choose my avatar. I paste the prompt. I'll choose my output size and the resolution, and I'll click on generate. And this is how you create a very strong prompt for Floowy in under 2 minutes.